Imagine you're walking through a forest. Everything feels calm. The trees are standing still. Birds are doing their things. The wind is basically creating natural ASMR. Everything feels normal. But now, listen to this. What if I told you that right beneath your feet, a living internet is active? Not with cables, not with Wi-Fi, and not with modems that stops working every other day, but with mushrooms. No, I'm not joking. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie plot. This is a real science. A network that transforms information, makes decisions, and sends warnings, and even shares food between trees. And craziest part? This system existed millions of years before humans. So, the real question of the video is, are mushrooms intelligent, or are we just starting to realize that intelligence isn't limited to brains? If you don't feel smarter by the end of this video, I'll honestly be disappointed. So stay until the end. By the way, hey, it's Mahi, and here is Talking with Mahi. Welcome, I'm glad you're here. This channel is where we simplify science, ask weird but important questions, talk about things school never taught us, but that actually run the world. If you're curious, this place is your home. Let's go to the main story, the underground internet. Alright, let's go underground. Don't worry, nothing scary, I promise. For a long time, we thought mushrooms were just food, mold on old bread, or the enemy of humanity in movies. But scientists discovered something else. Beneath the forest soil, there's a massive network of ultra-thin threads called mycelium. These threads stretch for kilometers underground, connect almost everything, and are actually the main body of fungus. And this network has a name: the Wood Wide Web, the forest internet. Yes, even nature enjoys a good pun. So, let's go through a real experiment when trees start chatting. Scientists ran a famous experiment. 2 trees, one healthy, getting plenty of sunlight, one weak and struggling. What happened? The healthy tree, through the fungal network, sent nutrients to the weaker one. That means a forest isn't just trees standing next to each other. A forest is a community. Even more interesting, when a tree is attacked by insects, it sends warning signals through the network. Other trees respond by producing toxins and changing their leaves. All of this happens without sound, without eyes, and without a brain. Okay, if you have seen The Last of Us, the game or the series, you remember how fungi controlled living creatures, right? Good news, that part is fictional. Bad news, it's inspired by something real. There is a fungus called Ophiocordyceps that controls ants. The fungus enters the ant's body, changes its behavior, forces it to climb to a specific location and die there. Then the fungus grows. This isn't a movie. This isn't a game. This is nature. So basically, that ant thinks, I'm making my own decisions, while the fungus is running the show backstage. Kinda like when you think, I chose to watch this video, but the YouTube algorithm is smiling quietly. And another question, does this mean mushrooms are intelligent? Now it gets really interesting. What is intelligence? Problem solving, learning, communication. Experiments shows that mycelium can find the shortest passes, avoid obstacles, create repeating patterns. Even the electrical signals it sends look surprisingly similar to neurons in the brain. Scientists call this decentralized intelligence. No boss, no brain, but perfect coordination. If this is messing with your brain a little, hit that like button. It really helps videos like this reach more people. And tell me in the comments, do you think mushrooms are intelligent? Okay, let's see why this actually matters. Because this isn't just a cool story. Without this network, forests would collapse, agriculture could fail, even future internet systems could lose inspiration. Some scientists are already working on internet system inspired by mycelium, low energy, self-healing, and no central control. Nature is billion years ahead of us. So, maybe the lesson here is intelligence isn't always loud and aggressive. Sometimes it's cooperation, communication, helping the weaker ones, quiet but powerful. Let's go to the summary part. Today we learned that a living network exists beneath forests. Mushrooms are seriously underestimated. Intelligence doesn't always need a brain, and nature is our greatest teacher. Now, here's another question. If nature is intelligence, can humans live for 200 years? The next video goes deep into that exact question: science, experiments, and reality. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until the next video, stay curious.